Hi, it's Kara Romano here in Chicago at the Consumer Goods and Retail Analytics Summit. I'm here with Linda Birch from Birchworks. Welcome.
Hi, Kara. Thanks for having me.
You just delivered a fascinating presentation. I was scribbling down notes the entire hour. So for those at home who couldn't attend, can you just give us a real, high-level perspective on what's really going on in the role of the world of data science and the talent shortage and all the hype? And tell us, is it real?
It is absolutely real. There's such a great need for data science and data scientists out there. The whole advent of nanotechnology and the Internet of Things has created this mountain of data, and they desperately need people to know how to monetize it, make sense of it, and then operationalize it throughout systems.
One of the things that you said that I kind of scribbled down I thought would be interesting to our audience in particular was that data scientists really think of themselves as strategists and shouldn't necessarily be just part of IT. So what kind of governance models work and what really attracts those data scientists to organizations?
Right. Data scientists oftentimes are confused with IT people because they use computers, IT people use computers, so a lot of human resources people will sort of put the data scientist under the IT umbrella. Oftentimes when I'm working with a candidate who's trying to figure out where to go among their 5 offers, they really do pay attention to where the data science function sits within an organization because they really do consider themselves to be part of corporate strategy as opposed to just reporting. So that's a very important aspect of their decision-making process.
One of the other things you said was, they have 5 offers. There's a lot of demand for them. You said that maybe some of the shine's coming off of the Silicon Valley job. So maybe is there hope for retail and consumer products manufacturers that are really looking to enhance their analytical capabilities?
Absolutely, and I'm very happy to report that. Data science is a discipline that's been around in any size at least for about the last 5 years or so. So a lot of the people who went to work for Google or Facebook, they're part of very, very large organizations, and they're kind of tired of that, and they're thinking about what their other options might be. Where can they have a bigger impact? So they want to go to an organization that is going to offer them a seat at the table, more visibility to the C-suite, and so they'll pick organizations that are just now developing data science capabilities and away from these 100, 150, 200 person data science teams at the tech organizations.
So they really do want to make a difference. That's good to hear. Mm-hmm. Well, thank you for your presentation today and for your time.
All right. Thank you so much for having me, Kara.